Hi, hello. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Chidanand, a final year BMS student. In previous classes, we completed the chapters of Sharira Upakramaniya Adhyaya and Paribhasha Sharira of the Rachana Sharira, paper 1. Today, we are going to discuss about the third chapter, that is Garbha Sharira. Third chapter of the Rachana Sharira, paper 1, that is Garbha Sharira. Okay. In this chapter, they may ask for 10 marks question, one 10 marks question picks and one 5 marks question and MCQ question and MCQ question. Okay, 5 marks, 10 marks and MCQ question. What this chapter explains means the chapter deals with the Garbha Sharira. This chapter deals with Garbha Utpatti, Garbha Vikasa Krama and Prasava Krama. This chapter deals with formation of the Garbha. This chapter, Garbha Sharira chapter, it deals with formation of Garbha and developmental stages of the Garbha. Developmental stages of the Garbha and Prasava Krama means stages of the labor. Stages of the labor. These concepts are explained in Garbha Sharira chapter. Okay. It is called as Garbha Sharira. It is called as Garbha Sharira. The chapter which deals with Garbha Utpatti, Garbha Vikasakrama and Prasavakrama, it is called as Garbha Sharira. Okay. Definitions of Garbha. Now we study definitions of the Garbha. Different acharyas explained the concept of Garbha. Okay. According to Acharya Shushruta, they says that शुक्रशोणितं गर्भाशयस्थं आत्म प्रकृति विकार समूर्चितं गर्भ इत्युच्यते. Acharya Shushruta said that the union of Shukra and Shonita. Here Shukra means male gamete. Shukra means male gamete and Shonita means female gamete. Shonita means female gamete. The union of Shukra and Shonita in Garbhashaya. Shukra and Shonita in Garbhashaya means uterus. And also here the 25 principles are also combined with Shukra and Shonita. They are Atma, soul, Prakriti, Ashta Prakriti, and Vikara 16, Shodasha Vikara, and Samurchitam. Here the combination of Shukra, Shonita, Atma, Ashta Prakriti, Shodasha Vikara in the Garbhashaya, that is called as Garbha. That is called as Garbha. Here Prakriti, 8 Prakriti, Ashta Prakriti are said. They are Avyakta, Mahata, Ahankara and Pancha Tanmatra. Pancha Tanmatra, they are Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha. Okay. And here 16 Vikaras are said. 16 Vikaras are said. They are एकादश इंद्रिय एंड महाभूत. 5 ज्ञानेन्द्रिय, 5 कर्मेंद्रिय एंड मनस. एकादश इंद्रिय हो गया एंड 5 महाभूत पृथ्वी, अप, तेज, वायु, आकाश. हियर द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ शुक्र, शोणित, आत्मा, अष्ट प्रकृति, षोडश विकार combined where it combines in the Garbhashaya, that is called as Garbha. This is according to Acharya Shushruta. Okay. Now we discuss according to Charaka, according to Acharya Charaka. Shloka goes like शुक्र शोणिता जीव संयोगे तू कलु कुक्षी गते गर्भ संज्ञां भवति. This shloka explains that Shukra and Shonita, male and female gamete, and Jiva, soul or life. Here the combination of Shukra, Shonita and Jiva. The combination of Shukra, Shonita and Jiva, where it combines means Kukshi. Here the Kukshi refers to the uterus. Kukshi refers to the uterus. Okay. The combination of Shukra, Shonita, Jiva in the Kukshi region, that is called as Garbha. That is called as Garbha according to Acharya Charaka. Okay. The combination of Shukra, Shonita, Jiva in Kukshi, it is called as Garbha. These are two definitions of Garbha according to Acharya Shushrita and Acharya Charaka. Now we discuss the concepts of Shukra and Artava. Concepts of Shukra and Artava. Okay. Now the first concept, that is Shukra. Shukra, it is one among the Saptadhatu. It is one among the Saptadhatu. They are Rasa, Rakta, Mamsa, Meda, Asti, Majja, and at the end Shukra comes. Okay. At the end Shukra comes. Nirukti of the Shukra. Nirukti means definition of the Shukra. Tatra aharasya सम्यक परिणतस्य क्रमात् मज्जान अनुप्राप्तस्य सारः शुक्र संज्ञां लभते. This shloka explains that after complete digestion of the food, the shukra is produced at the end of the tissue formation, from majja dhatu. देखो रस रक्त मांस मेद अस्थि मज्जा and shukra. At the end shukra is formed from the majja dhatu. Okay. क्रमाद मज्जान अनुप्राप्तस्य सारः शुक्र संज्ञां लभते. That is called as shukra dhatu. It is superior among all sapta dhatu. Means rasa, rakta, mamsa, meda, asti, majja and shukra, 7 sapta dhatus. Among all that, shukra is said as the superior. Okay. Now we discuss paryaya, synonyms of the shukra. They are shukram, teja, retasi cha, bija, virya, indriyani cha. Here shukra, teja, it is the essence of the saptadhatu. Because it is formed at the end. The tissue formation shukra dhatu at the end. That's why it is said as essence. And retasa and pumbija, it is male gamete, and virya, it is said as semen, and indriyani cha. These are synonyms of the shukra. Okay. Now we discuss shukra swarupa. What is the nature of the semen? What is shukra? In modern we can correlate with the male gamete or the sperm. The nature of the shukra is saumyam shukram. Here in shukra dhatu, pancha mahabhuta predominant is jala mahabhuta. And it is snigdha and having snigdha and shita guna, snigdha and unctuous and cold in nature. Okay. This is swarupa of the shukra. Now we discuss shukra sthana. Sarvatra anugatam dehe shukram samsparshena tata. It spreads all over the body. Like sugarcane juice present in the sugarcane, and gruta present in the dadi. Like that our shukra is spreads all over the body. Okay. This is sthana for the shukra. देखो MCQ question. For the formation of the shukra dhatu, it takes 1 masa. It requires 1 month to form the shukra dhatu from rasa dhatu. रसा धातु से शुक्र धातु बनने तक 1 month चाहिए होता है. Okay. This is according to the Ayurveda. Okay. Pramana of the shukra. How much quantity of the sperm or semen present in our body means it is sukrasya ardha anjali pramana. Here we can 1 anjali is equal to 198 ml, 198 ml divided by 2, 99 ml, approximately 100 ml, 100 ml of the shukra dhatu is present in our body. Okay, now we discuss, this is very important concept, shuddha shukra lakshana, very important for 5 marks. Okay, very important. According to Sushruta, shuddha shukra lakshana, they are स्फटिकाभं द्रवं स्निग्धं मधुरं मधुगंधि च शुक्रमिच्छन्ति केचितु तैलक्षौद्रा निबं तथा. This shloka explains that Shuddha Shukra, the pure semen having the properties like this. Spatikabam, it shines like the spatika, it shines like the spatika, and it is liquid in nature and unctuous, and it is having the taste of madhura rasa. Sperm is having the taste of madhura rasa, and it is madhugandicha, it smells like honey, it smells like honey. Shukram icchanti kechitu shaila kshaudra nibam tata, it similars like taila oil and kshaudra honey. The consistency of the shukra, it is correlated with the taila and kshaudra, okay. This is properties according to Acharya Sushruta. Now we discuss Shuddha Shukra Lakshana according to Ashtanga Hridaya. Shukram Shuklam Guru Snigdam, Maduram Bahalam Bahu, Grutamakshika Tailabam Sadgarbhaya. Here the Shukra is Shukla in Varna. Shukla means whitish in color, and it is heavy, unctuous, madura in taste, and bahalam it is heavy in nature. It is similar like gruta and makshika and taila. It is the properties of the shuddha shukra. Okay, देखो वर्ण कौन सा वर्ण है, शुक्ल वर्ण आर स्फटिकाभम, इट शाइन्स लाइक द स्फटिका. स्पर्श द्रव एंड स्निग्ध स्पर्श. रस मधुर रस, एंड गंध इज मधुगंधि, it smells like honey. Now we discuss karma of the shukra. Karma means what are the functions of the shukra dhatu. Garbhotpada, Shrestha karma of the shukra is for fertilization purpose. It is useful for fertilization purpose. Okay. Shukravah Shrotas, they are Shukravahanam Shrotasam Rushanavo Moolam Sepascha. Shukravahanam Shrotasam Rushanavo Moolam Sepascha. Here the Shrotas of the Shukravaha are, Rushana means testicles. Testicles are present in a pair, okay. And Shepa means penis. These are the Shrotas of the Shukra dhatu. Now we discuss clinical aspect of the Shukra. Clinical aspects of the Shukra dhatu. Here, Klaibya. If any defect in the Shukra dhatu, it may be results in Klaibya. Klaibya means impotency. This is about definition and Shukra dhatu. Now we discuss the concept of Artava. Artava means the female gamete. Shukra means male gamete. Okay. Formation of Artava. Rutau bhavam tad artavam. It is formed in Rutukala. Rutukala means follicular phase of the menstrual cycle. It is formed during follicular phase of the menstrual cycle every month. That's why it is called as artava. That's why it is called as artava. It is formed during rutukala, follicular phase. Okay, it takes how many days it takes to form the artava from the rasadhatu? From rasadhatu to artava form होना चाहिए तो कितने दिन लेता है? देखो, मासेन रसः शुक्रम स्त्रीणाम च आर्तवम. मासेन रसः शुक्रम स्त्रीणाम च आर्तवम. It is similar like formation of the shukra. It is similar like formation of the shukra. It is also takes 1 masa. 1 masa means 30 days, 1 month time it requires to form from the rasa to artava. Now, synonyms of the artava. Synonyms of the artava. They are raja, shonita, Stri Shukra and Stri Bija. These are Paryaya of the Artava. Artava Utpatti. Rasat Stanyam Artavam. According to Acharya Charaka in Chikitsatana said that it is formed from the Rasadhatu. It is formed from the Rasadhatu. It is also considered as Upadhatu of the Rasadhatu. Okay. Now, Swarupa, what is the nature of the Artava? Nature of the Artava. Artavam Agniyam cha. Artavam Agniyam cha means here the Panchamahabhuta predominant in Artava, that is Agni. Artava, it is Agni. Okay. Now, this is very important, this concept. Shuddha Artava Lakshana is very important for 5 marks. Okay. Shloka goes like Shasha Asruk Pratimam Yattu Yadva, Shasha Asruk Pratimam Yattu Yadva, Laksha Rasopamam, Tadartavam Prashamsanti Yadvaso na Viranjayas. This shloka explains that how the pure female gamete, the pure ovum looks like. It is Shasha means rabbit. Shasha means rabbit. It looks like the blood of the rabbit. It looks like the red blood of the shasha means rabbit blood. It resembles like the blood of the rabbit. Shasha asruk means rakta means, okay, asruk means rakta means blood. It resembles like blood of the rabbit, and also yattu yadva laksha rasopamam. It is also resembles like lag. It is also resembles like red lag. It is red in color. Tadartavam prashamsanti yadvaso na viranjayat. It is doesn't stain to the cloth. It doesn't stain to the cloth. It washed up easily. It washed up easily. Okay, that is yadvaso na viranjayat is the lakshana of dash MCQ question. Okay, that is shuddha artava lakshana. Okay, now gunjapala savarnam cha padmalaktaka sannivam Indragopaka Asmartavam Shuddha Madishet. This shloka explains that the Shuddha Artava, it resembles like Gunjapala. It is red in color, and Padma means it resembles like the color of the lotus. It resembles like red lotus. And Alaktaka Sannibam, it also resembles like red lag. And Indragopa, and it is also similar like the Indragopa plant. These are the Shuddha Artava Lakshanas, important for 5 marks. Okay. Now we discuss Artava Karma. What are the functions? What are the functions of the Artava? The shloka goes like Rakta Lakshanam Artavam Garbha Garbha Lakshanam. The functions of the functions are the lakshanas of the artava are similar to the rakta. The properties are the lakshanas are similar to the rakta, and it have the properties of, it have the karmas of bija nirmana to production of the ovum, and apara means placenta formation, and Ruddhi means development of the placenta, and stana ruddhi, stana means breast formation, and stana janana to produce the milk, lactogenesis. These are the functions of the artava. These are functions of the artava. Rakta lakshanam artavam garbhakruch garbo garbha lakshanam stanyam stanayora peenatvam jananam jeevanam cheti. Peenatvam jananam jeevanam cheti. These are functions of the artava. Now we discuss pramana. How much pramana quantity present in the females means chatvaro raja striyah. 4 anjali pramana. 4 anjali pramana of the artava is present in females. Okay, 1 anjali pramana is equal to approximately 198 ml. Now, srotas, blood vessels or arteries of the artavavaha. Srotas, they are artavavahedve tayormulam garbhashaya artavavahinyascha damannah. There are two srotas of the artava. Two srotas of the artava. They are garbhashaya. Garbhashaya means uterus, and artavavahinyascha damannah. Damani means arteries. Here the arteries refers to the uterine artery and ovarian artery. Uterine artery and ovarian artery. These are srotas of the artava. Now we discuss clinical aspects. What are the clinical aspects of the artava? They are raktaja gulma. Mainly this is very important. Okay, raktaja gulma, the mass of the blood formed in the uterus. Why this mass of the blood is formed in the uterus? Because due to obstruction of the artavava srotas. Artavava srotas, they are garbhashaya and artavavahinyascha damanya. If there is obstruction in these srotas, it cause raktaja gulma. Totally gulma are 5 types. Okay, among that raktaja gulma also one. And bandhata means sterility, unable to produce the artava. These are clinical aspects of the artava. Okay, today we completed the introduction, definitions of the garbha, and also the concepts of shukra and artava. If you have any doubts, comment below. वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब कर लो. For handwritten notes, join my Telegram channel. Link in my description. Thank you.